Okay, so here's our rat's nest of hoses, and here's the filter mounted. Now, I'll have you know, we took these off to mount them. The screws are back there, but you got to remember to leave a gap so when you take off the canisters, you're able to do so. So this right here is my inlet. I'm going to cut it right here to put it into that shark bite. And I'll be able to cut it back here to put it into that shark bite. Be able to cut it back here to put it into that shark bite. All right, well, we got those connected. Water going into the first one. Into the second one. Into the third one. Okay, go tell Mom to open the sink up, okay?
Okay.
Alright, now we got things flowing. Just keep it running. So there's going to be some air eventually, but... Alright, so here's our 3-stage filter. Doesn't look like we have any leaks going, that's a plus. Shark bite and brass fittings. This whole setup, because I already had the filters, cost me about $150. If you were to do it yourself and get the filters, you're looking at about $180 for the 3-stage. If you did 2-stage, you're gonna knock off probably about $80.